Hi guys, I'm Eileen. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to do a review about my Birkin 25. I've had this bag for about 6 months now and I've used it quite a bit. So I think I am now in the position to give you a full honest review. I will also show you guys what I carry in this bag, and at the end I'm going to include some modeling shots as well. So if you are interested, please keep watching. First of all, this is the size 25. Some people also call this the baby Birkin because it is the smallest size. This size has been quite popular for a few years now because of the mini bag trend. Personally, this is the perfect size for me because it can carry everything I need plus more. And obviously, it looks very cute. I've actually read somewhere that the size 25 is currently the most popular size for Birkins. The material of this bag is Epsom leather, which is an embossed calfskin leather. This leather is very light and easy to care for because it's quite scratch resistant. My essay also told me that you can easily clean this leather with a baby wipe. The Epsom leather is also quite stiff, so an Epsom bag usually is quite structured. I love that about this Birkin because this leather really helps to keep the shape of this bag. Another thing I love about this bag is that it has 4 feet on the bottom of the bag, and they really help to protect this part of the leather. So if I do have to put the bag down on the table, I'm not too worried that the leather will be scratched or damaged. The handles for the Birkin 25 are fairly small because it is supposed to be used as a top handle bag. Now I can just about fit my wrist in there, but I will struggle to use this on the crook of my arm. And also, because it is a top handle bag, you want to be quite careful if you do use hand cream. Now usually I try to make sure my hands are completely dry before I carry the bag, but sometimes your hand can sweat and that can certainly affect the handle. For now, I cannot actually see any wear and tear on the handles yet, but I can actually see quite a bit of staining on my twilly. So I think if I ever get another twilly for this bag, I will go for a darker colour. In terms of practicality, I would say if you really need to be hands-free, this is not the bag for you because it doesn't come with a shoulder strap. I love my Birkin to bits, but if I know that I have to carry a lot of shopping that day, then this is not the bag that I will go for. Anyway, I think it's just a feature of the Birkin and I've just enjoyed it the way it is. Now, I know a lot of people actually fasten the bag when they carry the Birkin, but I don't think it's practical because it is a lot of work to undo it. So I usually just leave the top open like so, and I love how easy it is to get in and out the bag. And because I don't come into contact with the hardware a lot, I can't actually see any scratches on the hardware just yet. I love my Birkin 25 so much. I never thought I would get used to a top handle bag, but I've been using it so much now. To me, this is the perfect top handle bag. I also think the design is very versatile. It looks fabulous on a very casual outfit and is also very appropriate for a formal occasion. And obviously it's a timeless and classic bag from Hermes. I don't think I'll ever get rid of this bag. It's just one of my favorite now. So let me show you what I carry in my Birkin 25. It can certainly hold quite a lot of things on the inside. Let me show you. Okay, so first of all, I carry my Louis Vuitton coin purse. Now I usually like to carry some change or some coins with me when I go out, just to pay for parking and lockers. And sometimes when I go to work, if I do have to ask my colleague to get me something for lunch, I usually like to pay them back straight away because not everyone uses PayPal. And also my husband can be a bit messy with coins, and they usually end up being everywhere in the house if I don't take them from him. So this coin purse certainly helps to keep coins organized, and I really like this one because it has a very flat profile so it can fit into many of my bags. So next I've got my sunglasses. So these are the Ray-Bans and they are the Club Masters. I just like how simple and classic these look, and they feel very comfortable on my face. Next I've got my Chanel case. So I use this as a wallet. I just love this design because it's just very practical. It can carry all the cards I need and some cash as well. And if I'm really in a rush, I will throw my coins in there as well. I've been enjoying this so much and if it ever goes missing or if it's time for it to retire, I'll certainly look for another wallet in a very similar design. And then I've got my Louis Vuitton mini pochette, and this is in the Damier Ebene canvas. And this is my catch-all basically. So I've got quite a few things in here. So that is my sun protection. This is perfect for reapplication because it comes with a brush and it's a powder product. So I use this in the middle of the day because you are supposed to reapply your sun protection every few hours. And then I've got my perfume atomizer. Hand cream. I love this L'Occitane hand cream because it's very light and not greasy. And then I have a Chanel compact. A lip balm. And a hair tie. Next, I've got a face spray. So this is by Estee Lauder. I've actually talked about this before, but basically it has a very fine spray, so it's perfect for setting your makeup. But I mainly use it in the middle of the day just to freshen up. It's very moisturizing, so when you use it, your skin will feel very supple. Last item now, and these are my wireless headsets. They are so handy to have. I usually carry them on the weekends because usually I have to bring my little boy out for skiing and swimming lessons. So usually what I'll do is I'll just connect this to my phone and then I'll listen to an audiobook or some music just so I can keep myself entertained and make good use of my time while waiting for him. So again, they are wireless, so they are very easy to use. Just pop them in like that. And they also come with this case which will recharge the headphones when you're not using them. So all you need to do is just turn the button on and then the headsets will be recharged. So that's my video about the Birkin 25. I just love this bag so much and I can see myself using it in 20 years to come. And if you ask me, I would certainly recommend the size 25. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day.